creating and modifying client accounts. So how does a manager create a client account? Let's have a look. Just to recap, casual users who come to the site would normally create their account via this mechanism here. They would go to sign in, and then they would see create account, and they would create, they would have a username, they would establish a username and a password and create an account. That, however, does not create a relationship with the trainer. And it's the relationships at the time of client creation that determines who can do what and who can see what in terms of the privacy of client data. So to create a client, a trainer first logs in as trainer. So let's do demo trainer. Then goes to side panel and chooses user. Update, create, modifies existing clients. Create is what establishes a new client. So here, the trainer determines the username of the client, has the correct email of the client, which may have required some coordination prior to this, puts in a password for the client, has an option of creating the client or client plus. Client plus gets value-added services, another video. Selects a country, time zone, first language to be used by the application, can establish a subscription expire date, after which, if it hasn't been renewed, the client will no longer be able to get access to the application. Can choose to give the client access to public libraries as well as the libraries provided by the trainer himself or herself. Whether you want the client to access the monitor view. Indeed, if the account is to be suspended, the trainer comes here and suspends the account. And as to whether pre-session self-assessments and post-session self-assessments are required by the client. If these are ticked, then these assessment forms will appear automatically prior to training and after training. Whether you want the session data to be automatically saved to the server for a period of 45 days, and whether the trainer wishes to receive an email from this client when they complete training with a summary of the training session. The trainer also can here assign supervisors to this client who will have privileges to view the client's biodata and to also enter into the chat room. So having established those parameters for the client, we create the new user.